Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. It's a pleasure serving you, by the way. Okay, so I'm continuing on with my Thanksgiving dishes and the main course and that sort of thing. So today I'm going to focus on a side dish. String beans and white potatoes. And Randy, this is for you. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna, here's my green beans, okay, or some people call it string beans. I'm gonna be cooking them in the pressure cooker. So here's a drop rack that I put on the top of my container here. Let me show you. There we go. So I have water on the bottom, and the strainer goes, as you can see, 1/4 the way from the top. And so the string beans are going to sit right on the top of this rack like this. This is so that the string beans will cook with steam. Okay? Alright, so we're going to do that. And I have some cut up white potatoes that I'm going to boil on top of the stove. Maybe I'll do it all together. How about that? Yeah, I'm going to do it all together in the pressure cooker. Just save one step. Why not? Okay, if you don't have a pressure cooker, then you're going to have to boil your string beans on the stove and just follow the same seasoning and that sort of thing that I do, okay? Alright, and you'll have to also boil your white potatoes. I would suggest you put them in 2 separate pots if you're doing it on the stove. But in my case, I'm going to be able to put it all into the pressure cooker. And I think I'm only going to cook it for 5 minutes, okay? Alright, so let's get started. The word of the day, green beans and potatoes are out of the pressure cooker. I did try to set it for 5 minutes, but my pressure cooker will only start from 10 minutes up. So I had to set it for 10 minutes. So I just wanted to let you know that. Okay? Okay, so the word of the day. The word of the day is, so you can't shut your mind down. You just can't shut your mind down. It's always racing, it's always thinking, it's always wondering, it's always worrying. You can't shut your mind down. Wow. Sometimes you can't even sleep behind your mind thinking and wondering and racing. Well, what can you do about it? One thing that you can do about it is stop worrying, because worrying don't solve the problem, and solve the problem, and then maybe your mind can shut down. Solution to shutting your mind down from all the concerns and pressure: stop worrying and do something about the problem, and then you can shut your mind down. You might even get some sleep. Okay, that's the word of the day. Okay, so now we're going to saute our potatoes and green beans in the frying pan to bring the flavor up. Because remember, we didn't put anything on them when we put them in the steam in the pressure cooker, because I wanted to enhance the flavor afterwards. So let's do that. Okay, thanks. Okay, I sauteed the potatoes in the oil, garlic and herbs, and the chicken base, right? And some salt. Okay, so this is how they came out. Okay, so now we're going to do the green beans. Putting some oil in here. Gonna put the green beans in. Put the garlic and herb in here. And some chicken base. Okay, that's a heaping teaspoon of chicken base. Oil on the top. Turn the fire on. Just sauteing that for a minute. Trying to bring my fire up. Okay, I hear it now. Okay, I see my glaze. I'm good. Let me plate that up for you and show you. Look at that, guys. How about that, huh? You like that? Nice presentation. Okay, let me taste. Potato. Oh, the chicken broth made the potatoes pop. That will definitely be a great addition to your Thanksgiving meal. Okay, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Love you. Bye-bye.